So today we are going to show you how to use Google Docs. So first thing, you want to make sure you get on your Google page, and you do that by just going to google.com. You want to make sure that you are logged into your Gmail account, your Google account, which mine is easy as 123tech. And you'll see your little thing here. It's usually just a letter, whatever your name is. That's typically what it is. But anyway, once you're on here, then you want to go to these 9 dots up here that are Google Apps. And in here, you should have already preloaded. You may have to scroll down a little bit. This Docs. So you want to click on Docs, and this opens up this page, which is basically your Docs homepage. This is where you'll find previous documents that you've already done down here. And you can see I did one here. Just click on it. Intro script. That's from when I first started this channel recently. And then to close that, just go back right here. And then up here, if you want to start a new one, you can start with a blank document. You also have some different templates that are already preset in here. And here's the one that I just opened up, Untitled. So it automatically saves it for you. I'll just click on that, and we'll use that. Take out of trash. Okay. So I'll just use this one to start the video. Hey everybody, my name is Mike. I'm not a techie, I'm not a programmer, I'm just a guy trying to make life a little bit easier. And tech definitely does that. The goal of my channel is to make your life easier by giving you step-by-step instructions on basic tech that are as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Now let's get back to the tech. So basically, this is just like Word, or very similar to Word, I should say. Some things are different, but very similar. You have a page here that is your page that you're going to be writing on, and for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go through the menu bar here, that kind of like the quick stuff, and then I'll go through all these in a different video. So up here, when you're searching, you can search for different things. Let's say bold. You search bold, click on that, it shows you where it is basically. So this is a nice little search feature, which is great. This is the back or undo button. If you make a mistake, let's say I make a mistake, didn't want to do that, we go back, takes it away. We say, oh, we shouldn't have took that away, we need that back. We redo it right here next to it. There it is. And then let's say we want to print. Here's the print key right here, or print button. Spelling and grammar check. Obviously that was spelled wrong, so there you go. It highlights it for you. And then over here it shows you kind of what you want to do. Do you want to accept that? You can either click on it like that, or just hit accept. And then no others to fix. So that's that. Next to that is the paint format. I'm not sure what that is, honestly. So I'm going to undo that. Maybe another video on that, because I'm not sure what it is once I learn. Zoom. I just started using this too, by the way, in the last couple of years. So I don't know it perfectly, but I use it quite a bit. So it's pretty easy. That's why I'm going over this. Here's the zoom button for the page, this actual page here. So if you want to make it smaller, you can see the whole thing. You can go up a little bit at a time. If you go super big, it gets bigger. So I usually keep it at 100. And then the text, you can change it to whatever you want. Like if you want to make that your title, it makes it bigger automatically. Normal text, it makes it normal. All right, and then next up, we're going to come to the font. This just changes You have to have it highlighted, but you want it, then you can change it to whatever you think it looks good. Just some different fonts there. And then here's the font size. You can just arrow it up like so, or you can just type it in. 35, makes it bigger. Here's your bold. Here's your italic. Here's your underline, and you can see they stay highlighted. This is if you want to change the text color. Say we want to make it blue. And then let's say you want to highlight the background, maybe in light blue. And that's it. Pretty simple stuff. Very cool. Hey everybody, it's me again. Make sure you hit that like button down below and leave us a comment. Here's if you want to insert a link. Here's if you want to insert an image. You can click on here and then upload from your computer. Let's say we want to do that. How about we do, let's see, desktop pics. Easy as 1, 2, 3. There it is. Very simple. Now instead of a mistake, let's say how to use Google Docs. Alright, and then now let's say we want to take away all the stuff we just did. So we'll just take away the bold, take away the italics, take away the underline, change that to black, change that to no highlight, and there it is. Looks beautiful. Now, what I love about this also is right here is where you save it. You don't really save it, you just change in the title. It automatically saves. It's a living document. It doesn't go away unless you delete it. So here, if you want to change, add a title, you click on it, and it automatically grabs the first thing that's typed. So I always like to type in what I want the title to be, so I don't have to do it twice. But you can always come back in here and then change it to whatever you want. So I'll just use it. I'll just leave it alone for now, as is, because I like it. This picture or image, you can grab it here and make it smaller, like that. Continuing on this over here. So now we've got, where did we leave? Oh, insert an image. So here you can change the alignment. You can go centered, you can go left, you can go right, however you like. I'll keep it on the left. Actually, let me center it, which is pretty close. Like that. There you go. So let me come down. Now I'll move this to the left. So now you see the indent is in the middle. Let's say I want to make a left. I just go left, and then boom, it can start over here. So this is cool because the next few things are really cool. The next few things we have spacing. You can change the spacing here. 1.15 single, 1.5 double. You can do all these preset things. Add a space before a paragraph, add a space after a paragraph, custom spacing, keep width next, keep lines together, prevent single lines, add page break before. So a bunch of different options here. And then here is pretty cool. This is checklist. I like this one. So if you click on that, it makes a checklist here. And let's say we want to call this step 1. Step 2, step 3, okay? So as you go and complete step 1, you click on the check mark and it actually clicks, puts a check mark, and then it actually crosses it out. Now, let's say we want to do this again. Oops, there it is. But this time we don't want it crossed out. So we'll click on the right side here, and then step 1, step 2, step 3. Now, if you just want check marks without them crossed out, you can do that. Very cool. Now, let's use our bullet points. Here we go. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. So you see we're getting down towards the end of the page. If you keep going, it'll keep moving up the page, or like I told you before, you can make this a little bit smaller and then you can see more of it. Same thing with 1, 2, 3. If you want to use numbers instead of bullet points. And then here's different formats. So back to the bullet points, you can use different formats with the bullet points as well. Several different bullet points formats, several different 1, 2, 3 formats. A lot of options here. And then you have decrease indent, increase indent, and then clear formatting just takes all that away. So very cool stuff. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show you the menu bar here, basic video on Google Docs and how to use it. I'll do another video coming up about the this here with all the file, edit, view, and all these things. And then, but everybody, thank you for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button. And everybody have a great day.